Now what I will do here is I will just collapse this, and I will be naming this as footage underscore tracked, which means it is tracked, and I'll just check this off. No need for this. And inside my, if I go here, if I see this, my track data is already there in my null, so that's perfectly fine. Now what I would like to do here is I would like to import a background here. So I'll go to my project and I'll import a background. So I've imported this footage, and this is the actual single image which I have. Before that, just let me save this up. So I've just saved this, and yeah, so I've just saved this, and this is what I have got. Now after that, what I would like to do is I'll go to my composition over here, and I'll go to my main comp. I'll have this footage over here. And again, I'll go back to my footage over here, and then I would like to take this beneath, but as you can see there is no chroma, so this is actually not visible. I'd like to go to my footage now and just turn this off for the time being, and I'll insert the key light over here, and I would like to name this as footage underscore keying, and then I'll be choosing this exactly something like this. Now this also has reflection as this is a glass object, so that's totally fine. So now if I zoom in over here, as you can see I've zoomed in over here, and this is what I'm getting. Now if I play this, so this is what we are actually getting. Now go to your intermediate result, or maybe you can go to your screen mat over here. Still there are some areas like this which needs to be clipped off, so go to your screen mat, increase your clip black values over here, and these areas which are getting semi-transparent over here, you can actually clip white. You can actually decrease the clip white area, something like this. So as you can see this is the mat over here. I have just changed the values of my clip black and clip white. Let me take this to maybe 25 or maybe 23. If I go here and if I check off this the final result, this is what I get. So if you see here, if I zoom in here, there are these gaps over here inside my green, which also can be are actually there is nothing. If you go for my alpha over here screen mat, so actually this should be the actual mat over here, which is totally smooth over here, and this is how it actually should look, as there are actually some spaces or some holes through which this is actually visible. Now we have totally keyed this out, and now we will be actually merging this with our background. So what I'll be doing is I will be turning this on, and I will be actually scaling this up, or I'll be actually moving this up somewhere over here, maybe something like this. So now we have actually placed this, but no compositing has been done over here. We have just placed this and we have just transformed this. Now if I play, if I just go to my third settings over here, and if I play this, this is how it would actually look. Just let me clear the cache over here. If I play this, this is how exactly it would look. So if you can see, this background is looking as it is just stuck. There is no movement. So this is what I actually wanted to ignore. Hence, just for this reason, I had actually tracked this. Now if I play this from here, as you can see these frames are in green, so this would look something like this. This is totally looking fake, as it just as there is a camera movement in my original chroma, and while I am playing this is actually looking fake. Initially there is no camera movement, but after that suddenly gradually the camera movement starts, if you notice your footage. And this is totally looking fake, because if my camera is moving, the placement of my buildings over here, the placement of my background should also change. So that's the reason I had actually tracked this. So in that sense only I had planned my shot accordingly. So this is how you plan your actual shot, by analyzing your footage first, and then you actually perform and you actually execute it. So there are various steps through which you can analyze this. So that's the reason I had tracked that area first. So what I'll be doing next in my next session is I'll be linking my background to the tracked object or the tracked data which I have got with me.